Flying at half staff at government offices and buildings across the state to honor the lives lost to COVID-19. A year ago, on March 21st, 2020, Minnesota lost its first victim to COVID-19. Well, since then, more than 6,800 COVID-19 deaths have been reported. The governor has directed flags to fly at half staff on the 19th of every month since May.
Well, for the first time in months now, Minnesota's cases are going up and not down.
State health officials are tying the increase to a more dangerous variant. Theo Keith is in our newsroom tonight. And Theo, what are they doing about it?
Well, Karen, Tim, health officials are strongly discouraging spring break travel. They say cases are low enough still that wearing a mask and taking a vaccine when it's offered to you can keep the spread down. Health officials have identified hotspots of the B117 variant in Carver and Scott counties, the Mankato area, and the East Iron Range. For the first time, they're saying this more transmissible variant is driving Minnesota's case growth.
I think that it's fair to say that those two things are going hand in hand.
After falling steadily for weeks, Minnesota's positivity rate is up slightly. It is still far from the peak from the late 2020 surge. Minnesota is among several states reporting an increase of cases. Friday, the nation's top health officials urge people not to relax as vaccines roll out.
That could be overcome if certain areas pull back prematurely on the mitigation and public health measures that we all talk about.
Minnesota's uptick comes as the state's vaccination pace has flattened. The blue and orange bars showing people who have gotten their first and second doses are right about where they were to start the month. Governor Tim Walz is predicting a large increase in vaccine shipments starting 2 weeks from now. He said Friday he is about to make another group of people eligible for a shot and said that his age range of 50 to 64-year-olds would come soon.
We are in a race between the variants and the vaccine, and the decisions we all make in the next few weeks will have a lot to say about the outcome of this race.
Because of this variant-fueled uptick, the Minnesota Health Commissioner was asked today if she is recommending renewed economic restrictions. But Jan Malcolm said no, she is not. Karen?
All right, Theo Keith in our newsroom tonight.